Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to create a poll on Messenger step by step. If you've ever wanted to make group decisions faster, or just get your friends' input in a fun way, this feature is perfect for you. Whether it's choosing a place to meet, picking a movie, or even deciding what to order for dinner, polls make it simple. Let's walk through the updated process so you can set one up in just a few taps. First, open your Messenger app and head into the group chat where you want the poll to appear. This feature only works in group chats, so make sure you're not in a one-on-one conversation. Once you're inside the right chat, you'll see the familiar message box at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap the plus icon. This is the button that expands more features beyond just sending messages or photos. From the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Polls. Tap it, and Messenger will take you directly to the poll creation page. Now you'll see a blank space where you can type your question. This can be anything you want, something fun, serious, or just a quick decision maker for your group. Below your question, you'll have the option to type in different answers. Each one becomes a choice that your friends can vote on. Add as many options as you'd like until your poll feels complete. When you've set up your question and options, simply tap Create Poll. Instantly, it will appear in the chat thread, and everyone in the group can start voting. The results show up in real time, so you can quickly see which choice is winning. People can also change their votes if they change their minds, making it flexible and easy for group decisions. That's it. Creating a poll on Messenger is a super quick way to get input from your friends without the back and forth of endless messages. The updated steps keep everything simple and user-friendly, so you can set one up anytime you need to. If you found this guide useful, try creating a poll in your group chat today, and see how much smoother making decisions can be.